That's the journey from apple to bottle. Ever wonder how apple juice gets from the tree to your bottle? Here's the full process, step by step. It all starts in the orchard, where growing conditions shape flavor and quality. Harvest begins only when apples meet ripeness targets for color, firmness, and sweetness. Apples are picked carefully to prevent bruising that can affect juice quality. At collection, fruit is pre-sorted. Damaged apples are removed before shipping. Bins are loaded for transport, keeping fruit protected and organized by lot. The goal is speed and freshness, getting apples to the plant as quickly as possible. Next stop, the processing facility, where food safety and consistency are the priority.
Loads are weighed and assigned a batch ID, so every step stays traceable.
Quality control samples in apples to confirm they meet processing standards.
Apples are thoroughly washed to remove dirt and surface residue. Clean fruit moves by conveyor to the processing equipment.
The apples are crushed into mash. This makes it easier to extract juice.
That mash is transferred directly into the pressing system. Presses separate raw juice from solids, producing juice and leftover pomace.
The pomace is collected as a byproduct and often reused for other purposes. Next, the juice is filtered to achieve the desired clarity and stability.
Depending on the product, juice may be clear or naturally cloudy.
Pasteurization helps improve safety and extends shelf life. Batches may be blended to keep taste consistent from bottle to bottle.
Now packaging begins. Empty bottles feed into the filling line.
Automated fillers dispense precise amounts of apple juice into each bottle. Bottles are capped and sealed to protect freshness and prevent leaks. Labels are applied, and each unit is prepared for retail distribution.
Final inspection confirms fill level, seal integrity, and overall appearance.
Finished bottles are packed into cases for shipping. Cases are stacked onto pallets for efficient handling and transport.
Pallets move through the warehouse and into distribution channels. From there, products reach stores, ready for customers to pick up.
Pour, sip, and enjoy apple juice from orchard to glass. That's the journey from apple to bottle. Want to see how another food is made next?